Hello everyone, welcome here. How to make money with DALL-E 2 services. Yes, using this AI services to prepare a vast number of images, create a custom image as you are required. So for an example, to making like a promotions as a freelancer, like a accessing of DALL-E services here, you can add something, create a sale port like a poster for like a medical product. Just I'm asking ChatGPT to a particular requirement, sale poster requirement, where it can be possibly it will create for us. Let's see, it's trying to making a poster for us. Wow, really stunning images it's created. Awesomely, you are observing in my screen something like a text it is given. If you want to, you can make it like a edit options are there where you can proceed to edit and a text and write something, and where these posters can be offered like any medical name or any titles. If you are specified in your title, when you are going to be making a generate, it will automatically generate for a poster for your reference. And these all are absolutely freely, you can use it. See, this is a 10% offer discount, and go back and see the information how it is making for useful for you, and also given straight away from here like make it public to publish or save for a local, like if you want to make to save this document or picture to in your local computer, you can download it and you can use it. What is the name of the products? If you specify clearly, it will mention in the posters or cards. So generating and wherever the requirements of social media marketing or graphic designing, yes, try to practice with this DALL-E 2 services of AI. The AI making wonders. And also you try like see, earlier I have tried with the home like a promo. So the promo with the shopping cart, how it is generated, and also like a graphic design of a house, how it will be 3D arts it is created. It's my existing lectures, and a graphic of a horse with astronaut at like a horse riding at astronaut. It is created by DALL-E services only. So why don't you try today and explore more options which are available in DALL-E 2 and ensure to make more money. Wish you good luck. Thank you.